This is the road to solving Rubik's Cube. Okay, so now I shall scramble the cube and we will first be solving the first side. To solve the first side, you want to see that first, an easy way to do it is try and solve it. So you see, I can start to solve it. And you see all the moves I'm doing here comes with repetition. And you might be wondering, what does solving the first side help with? Don't you need to solve the first layer? And yes, we will get to that. So once we solve the first side, like most of you can, you want to match all the sides. So I see yes, yes, no. They're not all green. But first, I match it up with this green center. So I want to have a little green T. But this is not green. So I move it down, kick it out, move it back. I look around. Oh, this is a green T. So I move it in and I'm one step closer. Okay, now, so green T, check. Red T, no. We need to kick this one out. We kick it out, move it back. We kick this out, move it back, and we insert it. Red T, no. Kick it out, move it in. And now blue T, no. Now we insert the blue T, and we have one more step. Now we solve the first layer. You see? All solved, all baby T's. Next, to solve the second layer, we turn the cube so the yellow center is at the bottom. Now, we see. You want to have this is called an edge piece. You want an edge piece with the color you want to insert. So let's look at all of our edge pieces. We don't want any edge pieces with a yellow, okay? So let's see, red, blue. Okay, so we would want to take this and insert it like that. So we turn it to the left, down. Oh, excuse me. We move this down, turn it to the left, up. We now insert that T. I made a little mistake, but not to worry. So we can do it this way. Side, down, side, up, and insert. Now we have that edge piece that was here. Now orange, green, we want it here. So side, down, and insert. Now the orange piece is good. Now we want it here. So other side, down, back, and insert. Now we have final one. Back, side, down, and insert. Now you solve the second layer. Now we need to solve yellow cross. So we want this L to be facing the left. So we do this algorithm. Front, down, up. Now we have yellow line. Make sure it's not this way, it's this way. Then do the same algorithm. Now we have yellow cross. Now we want to have big T's. Big T, check. Big T, check. Big T, no check. So we have 2 out of 4. So when you have 2 out of 4, make sure that the T's are this way and this way. So here and here. Then we do this algorithm. We go, huh. Oh, sorry. There's a second algorithm. I repeat. See? And so now that you have it, you want to solve the corner pieces. And no, you can't just whoop. That is not very fun. But all of our corner pieces are in the right position. So we do this algorithm. Yeah, that's it. You have solved your first cube. Bada bow.